welcome to my new house. I've moved in and it's time to decorate. And I'm so excited that our friends at Enjoy the Wood sent me a new 3D wooden world map for my wall. I'm gonna have it put on my wall here behind me. It's the hallway to my house here, and I have Jane, my sister, to help me. So I'm so excited. We're gonna get started.
Welcome back to our channel. If you happen to catch our last video, you'll know that this is our second map from Enjoy the Wood. Last year's video from when we installed the walnut map is one of the most popular ones here on our channel. Recently, Sonia's family sold their home, and of course, that map was not going to get left behind. If you head to the previous video, you'll see how we removed that map from the wall. And now I get the walnut map, and she was fortunate enough to receive a brand new oak finish map for her new home. So this video goes through the steps and what we learned so far about installing a 3D world map from Enjoy the Wood.
Oh yes. My helper. My helper's here.
This time around, Sonia ordered the 3D wooden world map in an oak finish. This is the prime package, which includes Antarctica. It's the large size. And she also ordered now separately these beautiful flag push pins. Enjoy the Wood also has adorable airplane push pins, destination pins, as well as other accessories that you can order alongside your map.
So beautiful. I love this color.
The oak finish is a really beautiful color with lots of lovely variations in shade. It's a little bit darker than we had anticipated, but actually was perfect for Sonia's face. And it's definitely not as dark as the walnut one, which we originally had. And Ollie agrees that it's beautiful, or he thinks that it looks like a treat.
Africa.
Oh,
Look at that.
Gorgeous. There.
All the little pieces and the tape. So the double-sided tape, there's a big roll of it, and that's plenty to get this map on the wall. We're gonna use just little bits of the tape on each piece to hold it. And then I think those are all the little islands and maybe the plane shapes and the ships and things, right?
Oh, so pretty.
Yes, this looks so good, doesn't it? Oh, North America.
Beautiful.
So much attention and detail go into each of these pieces, and they're really high quality. The wood feels solid, and the map is really carefully packaged between all these layers and styrofoam to make sure that there's no damage. Now that we've taken all the pieces out of the box, it's time to start putting the map up on the wall. Really, all you need is a measuring tape and a pencil to mark your starting points, and then a good pair of scissors to cut the tape. When you're going to order your map, just make sure you measure out the space where you want to put it and then order the size accordingly. As I mentioned, our map is a large size, and Sonia's just measuring it out from the ceiling to make sure that the starting line is level. You want to also consider where the lower part of the map is going to end up on your wall. So she wanted it to be about 6 inches above the surface of the console table. Now that the starting points are marked, she's simply taping the template. There's 2 templates, one for a left corner and one for the right corner of the map, onto the wall.
Okay, so I jumped right into putting the map on the wall, but I thought I would show you what the box comes with. So there's this insert, and inside is a coupon for your next purchase. There's some really cute stickers, and there's the warranty also inside. Here, along with a one-pager on how to put your map up that my dog has already chewed, but that's okay. The instructions are really simple. I've already started, and you basically need to put the 2 corners, the 2 templates on either side, and it tells you the distance based on the size of your map. And I have number 1 up here, and then I'm gonna put number 2 over there, and then just work from the sides, get my map onto the wall. Okay, so I have my 2 pieces ready to go. They're the 2 corner pieces. And I have the back side has the double-sided tape. So we have little pieces. We kept them smaller this time and used less. So now they're ready. I'm gonna put them up.
The instructions indicate to cut the double-sided tape with the backing still attached, attach those to your pieces, and then remove the backing. We found this to be really time-consuming just because it's hard to get that little backing off. So instead, in this go-around, as we were taking the tape off in one long strip, we were cutting the little pieces right off the roll and putting them onto the back of the map pieces.
Okay, so now that the majority of the map is on the wall, we have these smaller pieces that we need to put up. And all of the islands and many of the shapes, like the airplanes and the ships, they all come in these shapes, these square shapes that are all still pieced together. So you actually need to separate them. And I've done some here. As you can see, I did the ship. So it takes a little bit of extra time to take them apart. And you want to be careful because some of them are pretty fragile. So you don't want to break any of the pieces. They've all kind of been already, cut, and they're just joined together with a little piece of wood. So you just want to work your way from like the outside, work it in. And making sure that you put like a piece that you don't need, you put that away so you don't get that mixed up with maybe like an island or another piece that you want to actually use on your wall. Some of the pieces are so small, you really don't want to lose them, so be careful when you're pulling them apart. If you find any of the edges, I don't know if you can see, but it's a little bit unsmooth, I have a pair of scissors that I'm just gonna kind of work in there and just kind of trim just to kind of get away. The other shapes that you have are some of this lettering. So there's Atlantic Ocean, the Southern, all these labels that'll be placed throughout the wall on your map. Because the lettering is so small, it's hard to cut a piece of tape that's gonna be completely hidden behind one of the letters, but that's okay, they're clear. It really doesn't show once you're looking at it from the front side. I just have one little piece of double-sided tape in the middle here, and that's gonna hold it.
While the package instructions make it really easy to position all those larger pieces, it helped us to have our phone and map app just to know where to place some of the smaller islands and arrange them properly. And once her map was up, Sonia had fun placing all those beautiful push pins and remembering all the places she traveled.
Thank you so much for watching and for following along as I took down the map from my old house and then put in a new map in my new home, which I really love. It looks beautiful here in the hallway. It's the first thing I see when I walk in. I love it, and it reminds me of home. It reminds me of the house that I loved, and I'm excited that my sister Jane will soon have her own map on her wall in her home. Thank you to Enjoy the Wood for partnering with us, and if you have any questions at all, leave them below in the comments. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more DIYs and how-tos. Have a great day. Ollie.